Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon gift card balance. Once you've redeemed a gift card, its value is added to your Amazon account balance. This balance is then automatically applied to your next eligible purchases, making shopping incredibly simple. There's no need to manually select it each time you buy something, as Amazon prioritizes using your available balance first. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. To begin, you'll need to add your gift card to your Amazon account. First, log in and go to the Accounts and Lists section, then select Gift Cards. Here, you'll find an option to redeem a gift card. Carefully enter the unique claim code, which is typically 16 characters long, found on the back of your physical card or in your digital gift card email. Once entered, click Apply to your balance, and the funds will be immediately available for use. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply add your chosen items to your cart and proceed to checkout. You'll notice that your available gift card balance is automatically deducted from your order total. There's no extra step required to select it. If your order total is, for example, $25 and you have a $10 balance, only $15 will remain to be paid by another method. Always review your order summary to confirm the application. To check your remaining balance at any time, simply navigate back to the gift card section within your account. It will clearly display your current total. Remember, you can add as many gift cards as you like. Their values will combine into a single, convenient balance. A great feature is that your Amazon gift card balance never expires, giving you complete flexibility. Plus, there are absolutely no fees involved, ensuring you get the full value of your gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.